Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Olabisi, your favorite Yoruba tutor. Ṣé dáadáa lẹ́wà, ṣé wà pa, ṣàlàáfíà ni. Hope you are doing good. Hope you are good. Hope you are doing well. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for returning to watching my videos. And if this is your first time here, you get to watch different contents that will help you in Yoruba language learning journey. And also you get to watch slaughtering videos of animals if you are interested in such. And so get subscribed. Yeah, if you are yet subscribed, then turn on your notification bell. And so in this video you're going to be learning numbers in Yoruba language. Remember, I'm basically here, my channel is basically here to help you with the Yoruba language learning journey. So of course I'm going to be doing everything that will help you. I'm going to be giving you content that is going to help you. So in this video you're going to be learning in numbers in Yoruba language. There's already a video about of 1 to 10 in Yoruba language, but I think that was when I was just starting, so I feel like I should just redo it, yes, and add more to it, so it will be more easier, more helpful, yeah, for your Yoruba language learning journey. So let's get straight into the video. So now we're going to be learning 1 to 20 in Yoruba language. Yes, I'll try as much as possible to make the video as short and as helpful and as detailed as possible. Okay, so in Yoruba language we have different ways, yeah, to say our numbers. So I'm going to be giving you, I'm going to be telling you, I'm going to be teaching you all this in this video. So sit back and ensure you watch this video till the very end. So now, 1, ọ̀kan, ọ̀kan. Or you say ẹyọkan, ẹyọkan, ẹyọkan. If you want to number, let's say you want to number or you want to count what you have, you can say ọ̀kan, you can say ẹyọkan, and you can also say ení, ení. Either you say ení or you say ọ̀kan or you say ẹyọkan, but it depends on where you are. Yes, these phases, these types, should I say, these tactics of numbering depends on where you are, the surroundings you are, and how deep you want to know Yoruba. Yes, and people with, because even people that are even Yoruba, most does not even know the local numbers. They don't even know how to number locally. So, but I'm going to teach you everything here. So, ọ̀kan, ẹyọkan, ení. 2, èjì, 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 méjì, èjì, èjì, méjì. 3, ẹ̀ta, 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 mẹ́ta, mẹ́ta. 4, ẹ̀rin, 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 mẹ́rin. Yeah, so let me chip this in so quickly. Modern Yoruba, yes, let's say modern Yoruba or Lagosian Yoruba. Most people will say ẹyọkan, they will say méjì, mẹ́ta, but know that the local numbering is what? Ení or ọ̀kan, èjì, èjì. So now 5. Let's go back to 5 now. We are at 5. So 5. Àrún, 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 àrún or márùn, márùn. Ẹ̀fà, that's 6. Ẹ̀fà, 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 mẹ́fà, mẹ́fà. Èje, 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 méje, méje, that's 7. 8. ẹ̀jọ, 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 mẹ́jọ, mẹ́jọ. 9. ẹ̀sán, 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 mẹ́sàn, mẹ́sàn. 10. ẹ̀wá, 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 mẹ́wàá, mẹ́wàá. So now that's 1 to 10. So let's say you want to say I have 5 houses. Mo ní ilé márùn. I have 7 cars. I have 7 cars. Mo ní ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́ méje. Mo ní ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́ méje. Can you see that I'm mostly using the third type, the third tactics in counting. Should we say tactics or type, whichever one, or style? Yeah, the third style of counting. Okay, so if I want to say, if I'm counting, let's say I have, for example, I'm counting, so I want to count now. I have some items in my phone, then I want to count. So I'll say ení, èjì. Do you get it now? Ení, èjì. And you can also say ọ̀kan, èjì, ọ̀kan, èjì. Or I can also say ẹyọ̀kan, méjì. Hope you get it now. Okay, so now let's go to 11 to 20. 11, mọ́kànlá, mọ́kànlá, mọ́kànlá. 12, méjìlá, méjìlá. 13, mẹ́tàlá, mẹ́tàlá. Mẹ́rìnlá, mẹ́rìnlá. So when you get to 15, you don't say àrúnlá or márùnlá. No, you will not say from 15. You will be removing. You will be subtracting the next the difference between it and 20. Now, for instance, 15 now. 15 is àrùndínlógún, àrùndínlógún, márùndínlógún. You know, àrùn is 5, right? Dínlógún, that is minus 20. You know, the difference between 20 and 15 is what is 5. So from 15, you are going to be saying the words that is the difference between the numbers and 20. Okay, 16 will be mẹ́rìndínlógún, mẹ́rìndínlógún. So 17, you know, 17 is 3 minus 20, right? So you say mẹ́tàdínlógún, mẹ́tàdínlógún. 18, méjìdínlógún, méjìdínlógún. Ọ̀kàndínlógún. And then 20 is ogún, ogún, ogún. That's it from 11 to 20. I hope this really helps you, and if it does, let me know in the comment section. And if you like from 21 to 30 or to 50, let me know in the comment section. And do not go without subscribing. Ensure you subscribe, like this video, comment and share. Thank you very much. Bye bye.